Previous research has shown that sleep and circadian rhythms are highly heterogeneous and often disrupted in psychotic disorders such as schizophrenia. However, little is known of how sleep and circadian rhythms present prior to the onset of these disorders, including in subclinical at-risk populations. In this study, we aim to identify the relationship between environmental risk for psychosis and sleep and circadian phenotypes sampled from the general population. Participants for this study were selected from a pool of 1,898 individuals who had previously completed an online survey assessing 23 empirically verified transdiagnostic risks for psychosis, as well as 3 dimensions of affect severity, psychotic-like experiences, and help-seeking behavior. Based on these results, we devised a cumulative risk exposure score and selected 2 groups of individuals from the top and bottom 15% of these survey responses. For all 44 individuals recruited into this study, we then carried out in-depth phenotyping, including further psychological and sleep-related questionnaires, as well as semi-structured interviews to assess clinical risk for psychosis and the presence of other mental health disorders. In addition, we also conducted urinary melatonin and salivary cortisol profiles, 3 weeks of actigraphy, and 2 nights of at-home polysomnography. From these analyses, we identified that individuals with a high load of environmental risk for psychosis had significantly later melatonin acrophase, indicative of delayed circadian rhythms. They also showed poorer subjective sleep quality based on questionnaires, but comparable objective measures of sleep based on polysomnography and rest activity profiles. These results suggest that the delayed circadian phase that's previously been shown in patients with schizophrenia is also present in individuals with a high-risk profile but not seeking medical help, hence will not be on the radar of clinical professionals. This study highlights the need to distinguish circadian timing from other sleep phenotypes, with interventions potentially modeling personalized light therapy for circadian phase realignment, thereby reducing the development of multisystemic disruption in mental health.